If the money and ethics weren't an issue, what scientific experiment would you run if you became a mad scientist? Oh, okay. So I wanted to become a mad scientist. Okay. And money and ethics are not the issue. So what kind of like a something really experiment would you run? Experiment. Well, probably I think that कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना, um, I wanted to make hole from North Pole to South Pole. Am I able to do that? I'm not really sure. Money is not an issue. और एथिक्स का मतलब होता है शायद लाइक लेट मी टेल यू लाइक आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर अबाउट द एथिक. एथिक का मतलब होता है कि द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल लाइक आई वोंट बी एबल टू डिग अ होल फ्रॉम नॉर्थ पोल टू साउथ पोल. So like it required kind of like a something really that ki the philosophy study of concept of moral right or wrong and moral good or bad. Yeah, I understand. Okay, so what is actually the ethic? First of all, let me understand about ethic. Okay, ethic का मतलब होता है कि is it actually happened? Like चलो मान लेते हैं कि um, I wanted to make a experiment about man can fly without kind of like a something really that की like a jetpack, without jetpack anything just can fly. क्या मैं ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट रन कर पाऊंगा? प्रॉबली नॉट. अगर मेरे पास बहुत सारा पैसा भी होगा फिर भी मैं ये ऐसा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली अगर इंसान को उड़ना है तो उसे पंख चाहिए. एंड एज ऑल्सो मैन डिडंट रियली हैव, एज अ ह्यूमन डिडंट रियली हैव विंग्स. a human can build a jetpacks, उससे हम उड़ सकते हैं, बट विदाउट जेटपैक वी वोंट बी एबल टू फ्लाई. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली एथिक. एथिक मीन्स लाइक दैट कि मॉरली इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग. क्या ये सच में पॉसिबल है? यानी लाइक क्या मैं किसी एलिफेंट को लाइक इफ़ आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग सुपर सीरम जिससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाऊंगा, जिससे अगर मेरे सामने 100 हाथी भी आ जाएंगे तो उससे मैं एक दो मुक्का मार के उनको लाइक मार दूंगा. लाइक एम आई एबल टू डू दैट? Morally it's not gonna happen. But like this question is actually tell you that कि money and moral science and ethics does not apply to you. So what kind of like a crazy thing would you do as a mad scientist? um well, there is a mad scientist. Well, I haven't really thought about that stuff. Okay. um but there is a one thing that is kind of like a something really that key, something really excited. I'm not really sure. Okay, what is at least this thing? I don't know. Maybe I seen a kind of like a something really a movie, not really movie. I just seen kind of like a something really a movie, explain movie video. Okay, in that explain movie video, they explain such a Chinese movie. In that Chinese movie, I'm not really sure about the name, but in that movie, the people from all over the world, they gather and they create such a propulsion system or jetpacks or whatever the term that you wanted to use, to move the entire Earth planet from its orbit to the another orbit. Like basically they just wanted to move the entire planet. Okay. uh, so if I didn't really like a money and ethics does not really apply to me, so will I able to do such thing like that? Well, I would, but I know what exactly the consequences will happen because of that key earth is actually shifted from our orbit. Then probably there are so many wrong thing will happen. First of all is that key space is like a field with lots of unexpected guests. that we won't be able to handle such a thing, and basically we are actually shifting the entire planet. Just try to tell me how much energy does we require to shift the entire planet. It's like, whew, I don't know. But yeah, is it kind of like a something really extraordinary? But whatever, it's just my thoughts, but I don't want to, like, I just don't want to do such thing like that. मैं ऐसा नहीं चाहता. It just kind of like, it just like, I just seen that movie explain video, and that though in that movie they just shifted their entire earth from, I don't know, it's a very weird thing. Okay, yeah. But I don't want to be that kind of like a stuff. Yeah. Why would I supposed to be mad scientist? No. I wanted to do stuff with money and moral science, with ethics works and not. So yeah. It kind of like a something really connect with me with the realism and things like that. Yeah. I don't want to be a mad scientist. Next question.